In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get a background on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find backgrounds, the different ways to get them, and how to set one on your profile so it looks polished and personal. Start by opening Steam and heading to your Steam profile. You can do this from the top navigation by clicking your profile name and selecting View My Profile. Once you are on your profile page, click Edit Profile. This is the hub where all your customization options live. From here, click Steam Point Shop. The Points Shop is where Steam offers a wide range of profile items, including both animated and still backgrounds. Animated backgrounds typically cost around 2,000 points, while still ones cost less. Steam points are earned automatically when you buy games, DLC, or hardware on Steam, and you'll see your balance at the top of the shop. Take a moment to browse the Backgrounds section, preview items to see how they'll look, and read their descriptions. If you find one you like, redeem it with your points, and it will be added to your inventory of profile items. If you'd rather not use points, you have other options. The Community Market lets you purchase specific backgrounds from other users using your Steam Wallet funds. Prices vary depending on demand and rarity, so compare listings and choose the one that fits your style and budget. Another route is crafting badges. When you complete a full set of a game's trading cards and craft the badge, you earn Profile XP, the badge itself, and a randomized profile background associated with that game. This is a nice way to build up your collection while leveling your account. Once you've secured a background through any of these methods, return to Edit Profile in the left menu. Select Profile Background. You'll see all the backgrounds you own displayed there. Click the background you want to use to preview how it appears behind your profile details. If it's animated, you'll see the motion in the preview. When you are happy with your choice, click Save. Your profile will update immediately, and anyone who visits will see your new look. If you don't see a newly acquired background right away, give it a moment to sync or refresh the page. You can change your background anytime by repeating these steps and selecting a different one from your inventory. That's it. Thanks for watching.